her to die. Leaving the accident to these scenes, that's the worst part of it. Even the driving side of it. So, good thing.
Because I think, at least be accountable for your actions. It's a shame that you just left it for somebody else to find.
And then keep going. That's what's heartbreaking. That's what's heartbreaking.
And heartbroken, Jennifer's family and friends too devastated to talk about her passing. Debbie Shiano lives a few doors down. She'd heard there was a hit and run, but didn't would hit so close to home.
And to know that it's somebody that actually lived on the block. It's a shame. It's a shame. She was probably young girl, her whole life in front of her.
Since there are no witnesses, police are asking for your help. If anyone has information about the run or the car that struck Jennifer Wheeler, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers. That number is 1-800-220-PIPS. Hi, Chandler, News 9.
An LIRR train stopped in just the nick of time this weekend after seeing a man lying on the track in Evansville. MTA officials say that 23-year-old Michael Pineda was found lying between the rails around 2 o'clock this morning. They say the engineer of an eastbound train was able to stop before hitting him. He's now in stable condition at the hospital, and doctors believe that Pineda was hit by another train before being found.
Well, some on Long Island might start thinking we're in the swamps of the Everglades. Why? And another alligator's popped up in a local community, and this is the 6th gator that's been discovered in a week and a half. News from Long Island's Anthony Yordi has more.
Imagine finding this bad boy as you're walking out to your car. The latest gator was found in this Rubbermaid container in the Applebee's parking lot in Shirley around 1:30 Sunday morning.
I think it's pretty crazy in Shirley.
Police say this one is about 3 feet long. This is now the 5th alligator abandoned on Long Island in 9 days. The first one was found on the front lawn of a house in Mastic Beach. The next one was at this golf course in Wading River. Then last Tuesday and Wednesday, 2 of them were found near this supermarket in Baldwin.
I think it's incredible. I mean, I can't believe that they find one. I mean, 5 is outrageous.
Well, they got a crazy alligator guy and let him loose.
But Suffolk County SPCA Chief Roy Gross says he doesn't think one person is responsible for dumping all of these alligators. One thing's for sure, though, the owners abandon them because they're too difficult to care for them.
These are very, very dangerous animals, very unpredictable.
It's illegal to have alligators here in New York, and the SPCA says if you abandon them in a public place like this parking lot, you could face criminal charges.
You're facing criminal charges here. It's wrong. It's not fair for the animal. It's not fair for the reptile. It's not fair for you. It's not fair for your family. And it's certainly not fair for the public.
So now the SPCA is offering a $2,000 reward for information leading to an arrest and conviction. If you're caught, never mind the reptile, it could be see you later alligator for you. You could face up to a year in jail and a $1,000 fine. In Shirley, Antoinette Yordi, News 12, Long Island.
Got teeth. Wow. This latest alligator is now being held at the Wildlife Rehabilitation Center. If you have any information that can help the SPCA with their investigation, call them at 631-382-7722.
Israeli jets have shot down a drone that crossed into Israeli airspace on Saturday. Take a look at this video of the drone being taken out. They flew over the Gaza Strip but did not take off from Palestinian territory. The government is investigating now to determine where the drone came from. No one was hurt in the incident, and there is a search happening on the ground.
Well, today begins the 12th year of the war in Afghanistan. The U.S. Secretary of Defense Leon Panetta says we've come a long way since then in helping secure Afghanistan's sovereignty. And he says we owe that to the men and women in uniform willing to fight and to die.
We've lost over 2,000 U.S. men and women. ISAF has lost forces there, and the Afghans have lost a large number of their forces in battle. Those lives were lost fighting the right enemy, not the wrong enemy.
The U.S. aims to have troops back home by the year 2014.
Well, it is time right now to get a check of your weather.
The norm is off, but Justin Godnick had your hyperlocal forecast.
Well,
I'll tell you this, it's certainly starting to feel like the Everglades across the island with all the rain that's falling. And yesterday, not bad. Today, a wet mess. I look at the radar, still a lot going on here. Now, the island for the time being, we're drying out. But more rain is definitely on the way off to the west. You can see here pushing through Pennsylvania. It'll push into the island over the next few hours. We thought maybe we could dry out going into 8 or 9 o'clock, and it looks like more rain on the way till about 1 a.m. So, unfortunately, wet out there. You can see it here on our future cast. We clear it out early Monday morning, though, and that's going to allow temperatures to really get down nice and cool across the island overnight. In fact, probably the coolest night that we've seen so far this season. And then some clouds do build back in for later on your Monday. And unfortunately, some more rain will be back in for Monday night. So for tonight, temperatures down in the 40s across the island. But is this really the end of the cool or cold weather? Well, stick around. That 7-day forecast is coming up a little bit later in the show. Let's send it back over to Drew.
All right, thanks, Justin. Still ahead for you tonight. The president is expected to make a bundle in California. Find out what he'll be doing to bring in the cash just weeks before the election. And your Metro card, subway card, getting a makeover. Find out how using this new card could save you money. Next on News 12 Long Island, as local news gets.
News never stops on Long Island.
We have more information for everyone this morning.
And News 12 is there, bringing it to you.
What they've done is just drown this fire as quickly as possible.
All day, every day.
Early this morning, they heard a thunderous crash, felt the floor shift beneath their feet.
Getting you the information you need to help you through the day.
The student who was hit was here, waiting for the bus.
When it comes to local news, there is only one place that keeps you connected. News 12 Long Island. Only on Cablevision, never on Fios, never on satellite.
Backyard Masters Sizzling Summer Super Sale. Largest patio showroom on Long Island. Roma Deep Seating Group now $19.99.99. Vienna Dining Set now $7.99.99. Renaissance Collection now $21.99.99. General Lounge now $3.99.99. Solar Collection now $7.99.99. Flight Collection now $25.99.99. Verona Dining Set now $19.99.99. The best of Long Island. Price guarantee or it's free.
I'm Kirsten Gillibrand, and I believe members of Congress should play by the exact same rules as families like yours. That's why I took on my own party to end automatic congressional pay raises. I was the first member to publish my Senate meetings, requests for funding, and personal income taxes online. And even though it wasn't popular in Congress, I just passed a new law that for the first time bans members of Congress from insider trading. I approve this message because fixing our economy starts with cleaning up the way Washington works.
How many ways can you be comfortable?